Amber Engine's next-gen PIM makes it easy for brands to set guidelines and identify areas of opportunity within their data. Now, here we're seeing the master catalog within PIM. This is where all of your products exist and all of the information that you have about them. Now, a lot of the organizations that we speak to tell us that they don't have really objective ways of measuring the completeness or the accuracy of their data. So to help with this, we've built scoring directly into our PIM. And these scores are looking at how complete is our information, is everything that's required present, and is that information actually correct? So, as a quick example, category. For our organization, every single product has to have a value and a valid value for category. So here, we can go in, edit the attribute, and this is where we're able to say, PIM, go ahead, make category required, and then we can build in validation rules. So for example, there's a predefined list of acceptable values for the category, and this is where we can add to and change things over time. So here, I know that we do actually have a recliner product category. And so when I go ahead and hit save, and so now we're gonna see that the flag goes away because this is now a valid value. And maybe taking that one step further, if we go into an attribute like introduction date, well, this makes a lot more sense to be a date, right? And so we can set what the format's gonna look like, hit save. And so now, when the user goes into the system to make changes to the data, it's extremely user-friendly, makes a lot more sense, and again, allows you to build those guidelines in. Now, rather than relying on channels to reject data and being reactive to requests, brands can be proactive in defining their taxonomy and rules and check how they're measuring up and track progress as they clean up their data.